Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. In the city's heart, where the towers reach for skies, the wealthy weave their tales, under watchful eyes. In gleaming halls, power's grip is tight, crafting futures unseen, far from common sight. Across town, where the shadows lie, dreams whisper quietly, beneath the open sky. Voices call for justice, a chance to rise and stand. In search of equal footing, across this vast land. These two systems of justice touches on a deeply rooted issue in many societies. The disparity in legal outcomes between those with significant resources and the average individual. Wealth do influence legal proceedings, and fuels debates on justice and equity within legal systems globally. The case of Donald Trump, with his financial resources and influence, exemplifies this concern for many. It highlights those with wealth and influence can navigate legal challenges more effectively than those without this social status, even affecting the speed, attention, or outcomes of legal proceedings. This erodes public trust in the fairness and impartiality of the legal system, which is fundamental. Because these harsher realities are issues confronting families. The lack of access to high-quality legal representation. The challenges that come while navigating the legal system. While systemic biases leads to disproportionate negative outcomes for the less affluent. These disparities raise important questions about the accessibility of justice. Hypocrisy within political parties regarding these issues reflects broader societal debates on inequality, power, and justice. Political parties, regardless of their positions, are often scrutinized for their actions and policies in relation to these debates. These criticisms are part of a larger conversation on how political leaders and institutions address and fail to address the influence of wealth and power in the legal system. Addressing these disparities requires ongoing public discourse, policy reforms, and efforts to ensure that the legal system serves everyone equitably. It involves examining how legal aid, representation, and processes can be made more accessible, regardless of an individual's financial situation. As social media makes it easy to scrutinize the hypocrisy, it requires a self-commitment to use a critical mind while getting information on social media, and the intent of the sources. While we live in this turbulent political times, this visibility has a multifaceted impact on children, teenagers, and young adults, influencing their perceptions of fairness, justice, and authority. Instances of injustices shake the awareness. Therefore, a conscious effort to check the sources and the intent of the messenger. Media confusion has an intended need to hype up a primitive seed, rather than build a world, fair and just and right. Media control is their might, crafting a narrative, a bitter flame, where hypocrisy's shadows still play their game. Yet life itself whispers, a firm decree. You are worthy, so it be. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.